What's your favorite section?
Well, Garden is, but this is still good.
You took it almost full.
I mean, there were 2 photographers, so we're at least gonna have 1 good picture. Good morning, comrades. Welcome at the Nürburgring, and today we're going for a lap in something very special, something very beautiful. Polestar 1. So let's hop in the car, say hi to Alex, who brought this car for me, and go out for a lap and see what it's like. And for me, it's actually very, very special. Hello, hello.
Hi.
Thanks for bringing this beauty over.
You're very welcome.
I'm very excited for this. So first of all, I must say, well, for people who have watched my channel and know a bit of my history, they should know that this is something very special for me, because I'm not sure if I'm allowed to refer or make a connection to Volvo.
You can.
I can, because I had a V70, 850 and an S70. So like,
perfect.
Yeah, and
You're the biggest Volvo fan that
that sat in this car before, huh? So is it already on?
Yes.
Okay, so I can just like put reverse and then it should.
One more.
I know.
Yeah. What better thing to do than to have you take it out?
Yeah, I'm very excited.
So am I.
But yeah, so back in the days, Polestar was the kind of like the tuning brand of Volvo, but now they switched to do something completely else, right?
Yes.
So they're now focusing on making electric cars, as far as I can remember from the press. Yeah,
that's right.
And the Polestar 1 is so we need to push it twice. So it's like it's kind of sequential gearbox, right? So you like you go.
Yeah.
You need to go twice. Okay. I'm very excited. So we're now currently in full electric mode, because this is actually a hybrid, right?
Correct. Biggest battery and longest range in a hybrid.
Cool.
It's about 124 kilometers on WLTP.
Oh wow.
Up to 160 kilometers an hour. So I think you'll break that barrier today.
No, I'm excited. About 5 years ago, I was like everyone else in the car world, like electric cars, boo. But ever since I started experience ones, like starting from the e-tron, and now obviously also the C2, Rimac C2, yeah, I see the future potential of it, and I'm very excited to see where also Polestar is going to go with it, because this is the hybrid Polestar 1, and Polestar 2 is going to be full electric, or is a full electric.
It is full electric. Yeah. It is available. You can buy it, and if you order one right now, you actually have a guaranteed delivery in 2020.
Okay,
so
nice.
It's full production. We were able to do it even in these challenging times. We worked really hard to make all of this happen on schedule.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, so after today's lap, next time we're gonna go with the Polestar 2 out.
Yeah.
Well, first, before we go on the track, we have about like 1 minute. I must comment on the interior, because that's also a very unique point of it. It's a typical, let's say Scandinavian. I wouldn't say Volvo because it's not a Volvo anymore, but Scandinavian. Minimalistic, all is right there. I like it. I mean, everything according to today's standards. It's very quiet, but then again, we're in full electric mode. Does it switch by itself?
Yes.
To...
But we can obviously put it in. I think you need that.
So we are now in power mode. Ooh, I didn't hear the combustion engine go on yet.
We're gonna do ESC.
ESC Sport Plus.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, this is my very first time with the car, so I'm not gonna go do anything crazy or irresponsible. Let's call it that way.
What that means to you is basically crazy for everyone else.
But let's see. All right. Oh, I do hear the internal combustion engine now, but it's very quiet.
Yeah, now it's on.
I like it.
If you want manual shift,
put it to the left?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, now it keeps the RPM high. Woo! Acceleration test, huh? Okay, there we go. It does upshift by itself. Oh, we're doing already 100. Wow. That's impressive. Woohoo! Will we reach 200 by the compression? Yes, we will. Very cool, very nice. It's very confidence inspiring.
I think that's your driving, that's confidence.
Thank you. Wow, and the handling. I'm impressed already. Like, we're just around the second corner.
Well, it's real torque vectoring on the rear axle.
Wow,
Electric engine.
that's very cool. I'm like preparing for the car to understeer, but it's actually very I don't know what to say. I'm like, I was thinking of like taking it easy, and I'm trying to do so, but like it is taking it easy, you know. There is so much more in this car, but it's...
Well, do take it a bit easy because it is one of the hand-built.
Okay.
No, don't take it. Just do your thing. Do your thing.
Wow.
I know exactly what you're trying to do.
No, I'm
trying to catch the GT.
I'm not trying. I'm barely trying. It just does by itself. Okay, there's an M2 that we're gonna let pass. Come on, go. What I also very much like is that although the car is definitely full with technology, it doesn't go into safety mode because there's like a collision avoidance detection or something. It doesn't brake because there was a car in front of us. So sport mode was actually sport mode. 250 over Schwedenkreuz. Wow. Taking it relatively easy for a yellow friend over here. Thank you very much. The brakes are also good. And what tires are we running actually?
Regular PS2s.
PS2s?
P0.
Okay. Traction control is out. Yep. Man, it's... I just can't believe what I'm feeling and seeing. It's very good.
Yes, feel it.
With like some proper track tires, that thing is going to be a beast. What's the weight of it?
2.32.
2 point what?
Yeah.
How much?
Yeah.
2.3 tons.
Yeah.
You don't feel
like it,
no. No way.
Yeah.
Incredible. Wow.
So much to take it easy.
I mean, we're not doing anything crazy, but it just it's the car. It just like it wants you to go like that, you know. Sometimes, like, because this is like a luxury car after all, right? Like,
It's
so
a GT.
it's a GT. So you would expect it to be like, I don't know, understeer everywhere, be too heavy. And I mean, if you wouldn't have told me that it's like 2.3 tons, I would have said, okay, maybe 1900 kilos, 1800. But obviously we have the weight, like all the weight is in the bottom because of the battery, right? It's in the floor, I guess.
It's not in the floor, it's behind us.
I totally forgot we have speed limits that we need to obey, so... But the brakes are very good.
There's a speed limit here.
Yeah, we're like... so we're just like making sure that in case there's like a safety vehicle has to come out of the track, that we don't bump into it. Very impressive. Okay, we can go again. Uphill part. It even also says on the dash zone, no speed limit anymore, unlimited. That's good.
Thank you. The SGVO is also valid here, right?
Absolutely. The brakes are very good. The ABS system is like, it's good. So when is Polestar entering N24 then?
No comment. Well, if there's an electric, then we might be able to. But of course, you know, racing is in our DNA. So
Yep.
it's definitely something that we look into at sometimes.
I mean, suspension is a real GT, so it could be a bit stiffer for the track, but I'm not complaining.
Well, you can adjust it completely.
Okay.
We have 24 settings.
24.
We can actually, when we come on, we can do it. It's Öhlins manually adjustable that you can.
Okay.
However you like, you can do it. That was one of our big points, because with the dual flow valves, you have a really good setup for such a weight. It's a good balance, you know. Because I don't know anyone who, well, except for you now, would take this on a track. Today we are. That's really cute.
Yep.
That's really cute.
The torque vectoring does its job very nicely. Traction control holding us back a bit, but
Yeah.
wow.
Yeah. Is this your favorite section?
Well, Flansgarden is, but this is still good.
Oh, you took it almost full.
I mean, there were 2 photographers, so we're at least gonna have one good picture.
There you go. But you can actually.
You can do some lift off oversteer and drift with it slightly.
Yeah, you can. Do it for the cameras. Yeah. That's good. That's really good.
It's very good. Tires are a bit hot now.
Well, and you're also trying. Yeah, obviously the tires are.
Yeah. But wow.
Put something nice on here?
Huh?
Really? If you put something nice on?
Yeah.
Your tires?
Oh, collision avoidance, so it is there. But at least the car doesn't go full brake, so I like that. That's the last corner anyway.
Yep. Got it. Nice.
Very cool. I'm very impressed by the car. Very. Very, very, very. Wow. But the coolest thing is that, as far as I know from my marketing PR experience, Polestar doesn't really advertise it as a track car.
No, this is not a track car.
But like they don't even have it okay, we're testing it on the track, or you know what?
We do
I mean there is, but it's not like they don't say oh, we're performance no, it's very humble.
Correct, because I mean honestly, it's you know, it is a GT.
Yeah, it is.
So...
Should we get pancakes? I think we're just in time for pancakes.
Okay, dude.
Yeah.
Thank God we didn't get them before.
Wow, no, this is cool. Thank you so much for this amazing experience. I mean, I was expecting to be impressed, but wow, that's really cool. So next time with better tires, huh?
Yes, next time with better tires.
However, yeah,
production version.
Oh, production version. Yeah. So this is the prototype.
Yes. Still hand built.
Nice. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was definitely something amazing, something to remember. World's first exclusive Polestar Nürburgring drive, I would say. Yes. In TF, taking it easy, obeying speed limits, getting pancakes, all like you should be doing. So this car, for me, is Nürburgring proof. I like it.